President Kameglia Youth Wing Chongka United Democratic Party UDP ba Kyrmen Selau lo ong ba yamanta ka party kalaya sakman ha ka bay day ba ka chingping kre kum ka party hari lum jentia nak manta bani kun yak election house nam archar arkulai habai Kyrmen kilap thai kubor ba Kyrmen Selau lo ong ba yamanta un umla ban kren bon halor kiai kiai henry kil persang nak manta ba bhatam paus nam archar arkulai unde usnam ba bha nak manta jongki.
When it comes to party, as of now, I really apologize. I might not be able to share everything with you. It's just that we are on the move, especially from the UDP. But I would like all our friends to be patient with us. You might not see what is our movement, but we are trying our very best that 2023 will be the best result for UDP. That has been mentioned by our friends in the coalition. They have mentioned that history may repeat. So I believe that history will repeat. Not history will, it will not be broken our records, but I believe that it will be repeat again. So you got what I mean, repeat. That is not me who mentioned it. Everyone wants that as party leaders from the youth wing. So of course we want that, and even our party leaders also would love to see that if history repeats. But I remember recently this word has been said by one of our colleagues in the MDA has been mentioning that history might repeat. So we believe that what he says that come true.
Hakabay day berkarai bala simdo milibarim ba ne langling do bani kuni collection how archar arpulai nakaliang ba Kyrmen la ai kijingro yu ba ne lang bat ong bolon ra sibu ni kamproi ba kaching kelah po ka district men bau dong long kum ameli.
I believe in with the people of my constituency, and especially after seeing that all the people have shows their love for me, and with the last election also they proved that how much they love me, and now after being with them I try my very best. Yes, no doubt I might be, there are times that they call me, they cannot reach me, and they try to reach me face to face, personal, they cannot reach. There are lots of things that people are criticized, not only me but the whole 60 MLAs. Being the sitting MLA, we are trying to bring developments in our constituency. In that trying, we miss out here and there, but people criticize for that. But I believe that as people of my constituency, they will not look for those small things which I made mistakes. They will look for the major things that what have been done for the people of my constituency, and then what is my vision. I think they know it very clear. What is my ambition to develop and promote my district and then my constituency. I believe my people will be with me in this coming election also, and I believe that we will win with the flying colors, and with as much as possible we will come back with the highest margin also if possible. When it comes to election, we should not take it lightly, but it's just that my belief in my people and the love of my people for me, I believe that there's no barrier can stop us. Actually, everyone have their own rights. You can contest election. You are eligible after crossing the 25 years old. You are eligible to contest any election, especially this assembly election. So he is very qualified when it comes to that, as per the constitution of India. So here's nothing I can say against him. He's a good man, no doubt. He's a good man. He brings a lot of change for the district in East Janti Hills, lots of development. I really appreciate for that, and that's why even me also I'm trying to do the same, like how he thought when he was MLA those time. He tried his best. I also doing the same. So when it comes to this election, now he's contesting against. I cannot say against, but since both of us are contesting each other, so let's see. Here we will see that people will prove that what decision they need to take, and then who they see in future, that Kyrmen or Manelang, who will be someone for the benefits of the people. I believe that there's a lot of things, and everyone, all the voters of my constituency, they will sit and think nicely. In the end, their votes, they will cast it to the one who really could do some change for the people of our constituency. Actually, not only him, if there's some more who will contest for the election, I will consider that all of them are tough, and for that I will work harder. And I believe that in that trying, to work harder, to reach out to people and to do the best. And I believe that my people will still be with me for this coming election as well. And I have full faith with my people that this time also they will be with me in this coming election, especially with the love and care. So no doubts.